Good morning, fifth graders. We are here today to do this super cool optical illusion. Not very hard, although you do have to do shading within each section. So that takes a little bit. It probably only took me about 15 minutes to color in this whole thing. So anyway, but it looks super cool. The first step that we're gonna do is in the center of your paper, just go ahead and put a dot. Yeah, and I would highly suggest using pencil. I'm using Sharpie just so you could see better. So now you need a straight edge of some kind. You could use the spine of a book, or Lucas is going to use the edge of this canvas. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to just make sure the edge of your straight edge is all the way across your paper. Okay, all the way across. So, Lucas, here, let's do this. So it'll be all the way across your paper. Yeah, no worries. And at an angle, and make sure it touches that middle dot, and you'll go from one side to the other. Just like that. We're making what look like pie slices. Okay? And so then you're gonna make sure you can go make a space. Make sure it goes from one side of the paper to the other and hits that dot, and you're making a triangle or a pie slice or a pizza slice, however you want to think of it. Okay? Okay, so make sure, let me help with this. Got a lot of stuff in your way, sorry. There we go. Okay. So maybe just like that, Lucas. There you go. Okay, and so go ahead and do that all the way. Rotate it from that middle dot. And just make sections just like that. They don't have to all be exactly the same size, okay, but kind of similar. So it looks like I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. If you have a little more than that, that's fine. Okay, so the next step, yeah, that looks good, Lucas.
Thank you.
Okay, so the next step is start maybe with this section, and you're going to do a curved line where the curve is going up. And you leave a space. Okay. Now the next pie slice next to it, you want to do a curved line that's going down. So think of a smiley versus a frown. You would think that going down would be a frown, but it's a smiley, right? So then you alternate. So the next section, the curve goes up. Okay? All right, finish that up. I'm going a curve that's going down. And I'm doing a curve that goes up. If it goes off the paper, that's fine. You can see that I just filled in that gap right there. So we're alternating. This is a pretty easy project. It's just kind of fun. And also, if you enjoy coloring things in, since you get to shade this, it's fairly relaxing too, and ends up looking like if you have a younger sibling, once you color it all in and show it to them, they're gonna be like, what? That's crazy. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is alternate colors within each section, and then you can do the same colors in the section next to it, but I think it looks better if you choose 2 other colors. So what you'll do is, like, let's say I'm choosing, you could choose colors too, Lucas. I'll just go with these. I would highly suggest colored pencil, but crayon will work. Marker will not work because it's too hard to shade. So the triangle towards the center, I usually just color in fairly dark because it also looks like it's kind of going down in. I don't shade this one. Okay, I just colored in nice and dark. Now I'm going to alternate with another color for my next stripe. And I press down really hard, and then I gradually let the pressure off my hand, so I'm not pressing as hard as when I get to the center of that stripe. And I do the same thing from the other end to the center. So it's lightest in the center, and you fill up that stripe like that. I'll hold that up closer. And don't worry, you're not gonna have to watch Lucas and me color in every single stripe. It would, like I said, took me about 15 minutes to do the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this up closely. So the next step, I would do the blue here, and then I would do the kind of yellowish green color again. So we're making a pattern. We're alternating blue, yellow for this. And you can see that it's dark, and gradually gets lighter in the center. You'll do that for every single stripe. Okay, you guys, that's how we're shading, where it's gonna be the lightest in the center. Now for the stripe next to it, I would definitely choose a different color scheme. So maybe I'll do turquoise and purple, okay? So it's just the same tactic, shading dark to light in the center from the edge darkest to the center, okay? You can do whatever colors you want. If you want to do rainbow, you go for it, okay? That might make it fun. If you want to do if you have black colored pencil, you could do black and red. White might be hard to look shaded.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is what it ends up at the end, and it's pretty cool. So have fun with this, and I miss you guys, so I would love if you can take a picture of yourself with yourself holding your project up, so I can see your smiling face, because I definitely miss you guys. All right, have a great day. Bye.